Hello, Beez Bladers! Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. As always, I'll have links down there below, and I do know that I am very excited that these came in. I was worried I wasn't going to get to see these before Christmas, but they popped in today, and we'll be talking about these on the live stream. But yes, so when you go to Remette right now, yeah, these are Remettes, and they've got some Merry Christmas stuff. You know what? Oh yeah, I never thought about that. If you wanted to gift one for Christmas to somebody, it comes with the Christmas stuff. And, I'm just going to have fun and showing you these knives because I love Christmas themed knives. I used to think they were dumb, and now I can't get enough of them. I carry knives all through December that have the Christmas theme. This is a magnet, by the way, that comes with the knives. And I remembered they've got stuff from 15, 30, 40% off. They've got crazy deals going on right now for Christmas. I don't know how long the sale goes. I just pulled up the website and I saw all these different knives, and they have these Christmas themed knives, and they have ones that aren't Christmas themed that are also on sale. But, oh yeah, that's one of my favorites right there. Oh, I just freaking love Remette. So I'm going to get these out one at a time. This is going to be a quicker video, and we'll just look and see. This is just going to be three examples of some of their Christmas edition knives, right? Now let's see if I can get these out of the box without ripping them all to pieces, because there's a high likelihood that I'll be giving these knives away in a live stream sometime down the road. Maybe this year, maybe next year, you never know. Now this is a very cool one. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. That's all right. Oh, that is very cool. They come with a nice case. And if you're not familiar with the Remette, they're at the live streams. We have a 4-hour live stream every Friday. Beez Blades live at the Hive. Oh, right. Come and hang out. That's where you can ask questions. We get to interact and have all kinds of fun. This is the Remette Cool Whale. Would you look at it? Just look at it and all of its cool whalenessness. So we have a little bit of Santa action going on right here. A little winter scene, a little house, a little cabin with some snow on it. Look at that milling. Oh, I'm a sucker for milling. You guys already know. And then there's some more milling up here. And then let's see what this side looks like real quick before we get the knife out. If you haven't seen the cool whale, well, you're getting ready to see this version of it. If you come to my live streams, you've seen all the Remettes. So this does have a place for a lanyard, has a nice long pocket clip. The pocket clip is not setting on that lock bar, so that frame lock is not going to be mess around with. Are you ready to see this blade? Oh, by the way, we have a flipper up here with some nice jimping on it. Diggy, 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 dig. Ready? Pow! Right in the kisser. Look at that. How is that for a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous knife? And then I have two more gorgeous knives I'm going to show you here in just a second. And they have this version here has that pearlescent coating that just, man, it looks so good. And this is a dual grind blade. It's hollow ground. Oh yeah. If I'm not mistaken, this is going to be M390. Yep, it is. M390 blade steel, baby. And this one, oh my gosh, drop shutty. Holy cow, look how smooth. Oh my goodness. And if you like a thinner knife, this isn't like super thin, but it doesn't have that big bulky feel. And look at that. Big old backspacer. And this is anodized titanium, by the way. And the smooth factor on this thing is, I'm going to let you listen to it for just a second, and then we'll get the next one out. Oh my gosh, it is just so good. So there's a cool version. Now let's get another one out. I told you this was going to be quick. I've already reviewed these knives and talked about them and gone over them in a lot of detail. It's just the cool thing about this right now is that we're getting Christmas versions. And oh wow, this is in my top 5 of my top 5. Oh, this one is so good. This is the Remette Agile Peregrine Falcon. Would you look at it? Just look at him and all of its Peregrine Falconness. And look, no screws. You don't need screws to take the scales off of it. And it makes this a very crispy, clean knife. There's that side. And here's this side. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Got a little bit of Santa action going on. I like the scene. This is very cool. You ready to see this blade? Pow! Right in the kisser. Look at that. This knife is so good. It fits the hand so well. And this knife is very cold. It was sitting on my porch, and it's very cold here in the Beez Blades land. And the action, even with it being this cold, I mean, it's freezing cold to the touch. The action is still good. Because, you know, if the knife gets that cold, it was below freezing. If a knife is that cold, then it's going to slow down the lubrication if it has any. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I love the looks of it. I love that winter scene on there. Look at that. That is just so good. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this is also M390 blade steel, baby. An absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous knife. So I'm going to put that one over there, the Agile Peregrine Falcon. And you know what? That the designs they have, like this one and the MK1, where you don't have to take off screws to you know, you just have that nice clean look. Look, there's not even a pivot screw. It just looks that clean. So let me get this next one out here. And we're going to be talking about these during the live stream. So if you're watching this video the day this video pops, hop on over to the live stream. We'll be talking about these knives and a bunch of other knives at the same time. They do come with a really nice case. If you like these cases, and I now have a pile of this. This is really cool. You know, if you're going to get your brother, sister, mother, aunt, uncle, somebody, one for Christmas, I think that's pretty cool. And if I'm not mistaken, they say the delivery is before Christmas. Oh, here we go. One of the ones that started the craze. This is the Remette Peregrine Falcon. Would you look at it? Just look at it in all of its Peregrine Falconness. And this is a knife that you can get out every Christmas. I mean, if you're like me, I like Christmas year round, but I love having Christmas themed knives. It is very cool. It's my favorite time of the year, right? And if I'm not mistaken, you might be able to put one of those glowy things in that right there. But you ready to see this blade? Oh, look at that. And it does look like a Peregrine Falcon when it's diving. This is, oh my goodness, it's so good. It's so crispy. And this, if you look right here, see that liner lock? Everything is actuated by that button, which makes it really easy. And this is M390 blade steel. So if you have arthritis issues or dexterity issues, and maybe you can't reverse flick, and by the way, this has a really, really strong detent. So if you're someone that likes a strong detent, look at that. This thing, it's not going to come out on you because, man, woo! Holy cow, did you hear that? Listen. Wow. That thing comes out with authority. And look at this blade. Love how they do their blades. Oh my gosh. Nice genuine, or what's the word I'm looking for? Nice generous choil. Big old thumb hole. And here's something else that's nice about this, is you can use the thumb hole, you can use the top flipper, you can use the button. But when you have it open, you don't have to use that pivot lock to, oh, by the way, did I mention it has a safety lock here? So when it's open, when you have it on your finger, you can just go like this, and that prevents, it can't. I'll show you. It disengages. You can't even depress at all that liner lock. It is locked. It won't go anywhere. So that's an extra added safety. That's very cool. But just the fidget factor and the coolness factor of this knife is so good. And some of these, I told you, some of these knives are like 30 and 40% off. There's no better time ever to get a knife in the knife world than Christmas. All the knife companies know that that's the time to mark them off. And if you don't get one, you'll be kicking yourself. You're like, why did I not get one? I got to wait till next year to get, because the only place you can get Remette knives for 30 and 40% off is at the Hive stream when Remette is there. If you have questions for them, you can always drop by the live stream. But I hope you enjoyed checking out these versions. I don't have to tell you all about the knives because I've told you all about them many times. But now we have these Christmas versions, and I think they're very cool. Let me know what you think about them. Are you going to get one? Are you going to come to the live stream? I'll see you there. Remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.